Good morning, it's Amy. I just wanted to welcome all of the new ambassadors from the past couple months to our team page. We are so excited you're here. And look, guys, Plexus has changed my life. That's why I'm always so enthusiastic and excited about it. I've got my whole family on it, so I always get excited when new people try Plexus. It can change your life if you let it. But here's the thing. If you joined us in the past few months and you've already stopped taking it, I'm sorry. I feel sorry for you because you didn't give it a chance to work. You have no idea how good you can feel. Oh man, you only know what it feels like to quit. Trust me, I have been there. I've been there, right? But look, Plexus is different. We are not a diet. We're not a weight loss product. So it's going to take time to work. Our bodies did not get unhealthy in 30 or 60 days, so it's going to take them longer than that to get balanced and to feel better. And I know it sucks for those of you who maybe hit die-off or detox in the beginning. I mean, nobody wants to feel worse before they feel better, and nobody wants to maybe even gain weight at first. I know that that sucks, but I promise you, if you stick with it and you're consistent on your products, you are going to feel amazing. We have no idea how good our bodies are designed to feel. I promise you. You know, before Plexus, I was walking around, I was hypothyroid, and that comes, a lot of people who have autoimmune disease, that comes with being tired and lethargic all of the time and just not having that motivation, being achy. Well, I thought that was normal, and I still considered myself pretty healthy. I'd tried every diet under the sun just because I was always kind of obsessed in my head with eating healthy and losing weight. I didn't know all of that was also tied to my gut health. Once I got that balanced and got healthy, amazing things started happening. I wasn't tired or lethargic anymore. My motivation came back. I didn't crave the junk. And because I wasn't craving the junk, I wasn't eating the junk. And because I wasn't eating the junk, the weight started to come off. But guys, it took me months and months and months. I didn't start losing pant sizes for 8 months on Plexus, but I was consistent. You know why? Because I'd always quit. I had quit everything I had ever tried, whether it was a new workout or the gym or Whole30 or paleo or low carb, whatever it was, I'd always quit. I couldn't sustain it. It didn't work for me. So luckily, I already knew what quitting felt like, so I decided I was going to keep on my Plexus. And I did, and I was consistent, and it was amazing. So for those of you that are here and that you just joined us, please be consistent. I promise you, you're going to feel good. The other thing is, work with your sponsor. It takes time to figure out what works for everyone and, what your body's going to need. For me, because of my autoimmune disease, I needed the Triplex and X Factor. That is my Fab 4. That's my perfect combo. Now I've added Edge, and let me tell you guys, oh my gosh, if you have not tried Edge, it is amazing. It's our brand new product. It is the only energy supplement on the market that is all natural, plant-based. It's clinically proven though. It's clinically proven ingredients to give you more energy, a better mood, better focus and concentration. How amazing is that? And there's no junk. And it's one capsule for the whole day. Way better than those Red Bulls, Monsters, Starbucks, whatever you guys were using to get you through like that afternoon hump or get you focused throughout the day. It's better. You only need one, and it's not addictive. Why do you think people buy 5-hour energy shots and Red Bull by the 4-pack? It's because they need more than one. That artificial caffeine and all those chemicals are addictive. So that was my magic combination. I used Block too. I like my wine, I like to have a cocktail, and I'm a carb girl. Luckily, being on 4 probiotics for me cuts my carb cravings, but I still like a cocktail. However, I would never remember to take my block. How many of you have actually taken your block with your wine? Yeah, I'm guilty. I know it doesn't work like that, but the brand new block, it does. It works instantly. We no longer have to wait 30 minutes. This is huge. We are all going to see I think, an increase in our weight loss because we're going to take our block more often. There are many times that I started eating and had forgotten to take it, so I just didn't take it. And 2, it's instant, so we're not going to have to wait for it to be effective. So I'm really excited to start seeing the effects of block. I actually don't have my bottle yet, but several of my friends have already told me they're already down 1, 2, 3 pounds just by adding the new improved block. So if you guys haven't gotten that, I really encourage you to check it out. But for everyone else, I'm excited you're here. I wanted to just talk about the group for a little bit because this is an amazing tool. The Pink Rockstars, it's a secret Facebook group, so nothing you post or comment can be seen by any of your friends. And whether you're here for the business, like to make it a full-time income, like that was my goal when I started, or maybe you just want to get your products paid for. That's super easy. We have a lot of people, they're like, I don't want to work the business, but I'd like to get my products for free. Or whether you are only here for the discount, which are wholesale ambassadors, you're actually the majority. We love you guys. The team page, though, is for everyone, all right? And here's how you can use it. One, certainly if you're working your business, this is where we do all of our training, our contests, and our incentives. So keep the notifications on for the team page. But if you're not interested in that, that's fine. That's not to pressure you, but that's for the people who are working their business. Some things I want to point out, though, in how to effectively use the group. One, if you look up here at the top, you're going to see photos and events and files, okay? On the events tab, I keep a calendar of everything that's happening the entire month, whether it's new ambassador training, a book study, leadership training, or when we do like our Silver and Seven challenge, or our online pajama parties or online parties for potentials. All of those are in the events. The other thing I want you to look at are the photo albums. So click photos, and the first thing you're going to see in that is any photo that somebody uploads to the wall of the group, okay? But what I want you to look at are the albums. You can see these on your phone too. You just have to click the group info. The photo albums, though, are grouped by topic. So I have got stuff in there by each product. So if you want to see a lot of graphics on Slim, just click on the Slim file. The other thing I do, anytime we do like a great initiative, we did the daily motivational challenge, we did the law of attraction, we did the elephant series on how to work your business into bite-sized chunks. All of those are in the photo album. So all you have to do is click it. You can do them anytime. You can share them with your team. Great resources. Click the files. When you click the files, you're going to see lots of documents. Everything from a detailed explanation for the ingredients in Slim. Like we know by looking at the label on our website that alpha lipoic acid is in there, but why is it so important? What's the big deal about it? That's in the files. We also have files on, the emails you need to send to your new customers, to your new ambassadors, PowerPoint presentations. We also have files for, if you want to print out some cute little water bottle labels or cute little gifts for teachers, tons of resources in the files. We have a list of all the Diamond documentaries. Anyway, I'm not going to go through all the files, but check them out. The most important way you can use this group, though, I think, is one to post. So let's say you're just a wholesale ambassador and you are in the group, but you're curious of if there's any other parents in the group that may have their children on ProBio, okay? You're curious. How much do they give them? How long before they started seeing a change in their behavior or their digestive issues? Post on the team page. Say, hey guys, I have a 9-year-old. I want to know other people that give their 9-year-olds the probiotic. Easy, easy. It's a great way to connect. You may also, maybe you're someone who suffers from migraines or IBS and you've been on Plexus for 2 months and you're still feeling cruddy. Post on the team page and say, hey guys, look, this is my regimen. I have IBS. I want to know from other people that have gotten relief from this, what's their regimen, okay? The other really, really, really important tool, because I get it. The group moves fast. People are posting, I'm posting, stuff gets buried. See the little search bar up here? It says search. It's also on your phone. It's the eyeglass. You can use that to search any keyword. So you can use it to search contest, June contest. All of the June contest posts are going to come up. You can use it to search Amy McWelch. All of my posts are going to come up. You can use it to search fibromyalgia or Plexus Slim. Anything that you want to find, you can use that search bar. It's a great way to find things without having to scroll through the group. So I don't think everyone maybe knows that. It's a great tool. All of them are great tools. Spend some time playing around on the team page. Spend some time getting to know the other ambassadors on the team page. We are all here to help you. That is why I started sharing Plexus. I did not get into this for the business. I got into it to, share to get healthy. I even told Steve at the beginning not to tell anybody we were doing Plexus. But then once I felt so good, I couldn't not share it with people. I feel guilty and selfish by not sharing Plexus because I know how much it can help people. So that's why all of us are in this. It's to make you guys get healthy and have success on the products. That's our number one goal. Even when you see things about incentives and adding new ambassadors and people ranking, that is just an awesome perk to helping people. Why not get rewarded with Plexus? We have the best compensation plan in the business. Look, I'm here to tell you, it is amazing. It can blow you away. Anybody can do it. But that is just kind of a perk to helping people get healthy. That's why we're all here. We're here to support you, so don't hesitate to ever reach out to any of us. Your upline, your upline's upline, me, whatever you guys need, we're here to support you. So I'm excited. I hope you all stay consistent on your products and you try the new Edge. It will rock your world.